Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the actual costing method Odoo module developed by Openinside. The actual costing method is a cost accounting system that assigns the actual material cost per lot or serial number instead of assigning an average cost of all the products in stock, getting the cost based on a FIFO mechanism, or using standard costing. This cost is typically acquired from purchase or manufacturing orders and produces accurate costing reports. While standard costing in Odoo sets a predetermined value per product, and first in first out, FIFO, uses the cost of the oldest products received, and average costing, AVCO, calculates the average of all relevant products in stock. The actual costing method assigns the real value of the received product and saves it. That value, cost, is used in all subsequent operations or transactions. The actual costing method is a beneficial method to reduce any variances in the costing process that may arise from the default costing methods. It gives a precise, actual cost to each individual product in the inventory and assists in knowing about and analyzing the purchase and manufacturing orders costs in real time, even before the orders are completed. Let's get started with our demo. First of all, we need to configure product categories. Go to the Inventory module. Under Configuration, click on Product Categories. Select an existing category or create a new one. In the product category form, go to the Inventory Valuation field. Set the costing method to FIFO and costing level to lot or serial number. Make sure to save your changes. Next, we need to configure a product to be associated with this category. Click on Products. Select a product or create a new one. In the product template, ensure the product category is set to the category we just configured with actual costing. Then, go to the product type field and select Storable. Under the Inventory tab, we will activate the traceability by selecting lots or serial number. Save to see the actual costing in action. Now, let's create two purchase orders. Navigate to the Purchase module. Click on New. Select the vendor. Add the product we configured earlier. Enter the quantity and unit price. Click Confirm Order to validate the purchase order. Once the products are received, validate the receipt by clicking on Receive Products. And insert the lot or serial number. Then validate. We will make another purchase order the same way. Next, let's create two sales orders. Navigate to the Sales module. Click on New. Select the customer. And add the product we configured earlier. Enter the quantity and unit price. Click Confirm. Once the order is confirmed, validate the delivery by inputting the quantities and the lots you need to sell. Now validate. We will make another sales order the same way. To view the financial impact of the sales order, go to the Accounting module and check the journal entries. Or in the Inventory module in the Reporting. Generate Inventory Valuation Report to view the cost of goods sold recorded based on the actual cost we tracked. This shows how the actual costing method accurately records the cost of goods sold, providing precise financial data. Note that this module's functionalities work on the Manufacturing module. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on that actual costing method module developed by Openinside. We hope this tutorial has given you a comprehensive understanding of how to use this module effectively. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.